Hi, my name is Cassandra Scove. I teach third grade reading in Texas. Welcome to my channel where I like to share books that I enjoy and I think other people would enjoy. I hope you find something on my channel that you like to read. If you do or have suggestions, please put them in the comments below. The book that I most recently read is The Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus by Dusty Bowling. And this book is so good. I mean, it's very heartwarming. It's about friendship. This girl, Aven, is born without arms. And when I first read that, I thought, oh, it's going to be sad. But it's really not. It's about how she does everything everyone else does. And her parents have to move to a new town. And she's really worried about it because she grew up where she lives and everybody knows her. And she doesn't get the weird stares and things like that where she's at. So now she's got to move to a new town and start all over. And she's very nervous about it. And what I liked about it was it talked about how people reacted to her when they first met her and how she wanted people to react. Because sometimes kids don't know how to react to other people. When they see something different or they don't understand, they're not really sure what they should do or say. And in here, they address that. She makes two friends. Aven makes two friends, Connor and Zion, and Connor has Tourette's, which is another thing that kids deal with. And Zion worries about his weight, which also is a problem that kids deal with. And it's about how they help each other and encourage each other and this bond that they create in their friendship. And it is an amazing book. There is one more twist in the book, but I don't want to give it away because it's so good. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this book. Thank you so much for coming today. Check this out, Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus, and the cactus does show up in there. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for coming today. Check this out at your local bookstore or library.